you know, when all the buyers are panicking, I'm buying, oh yeah, and then market was skyrocketing to the top, easy catch. Yo, what's up team? I hope you all having a good time. It's Raphael back again at the charts, and I want to talk about the last week because right now I'm challenging myself with the FTMO challenge, because yeah, I was feeling like I need a challenge, I need something to achieve, you know, just a quick little challenge. So at the moment I'm trading the FTMO challenge. I know many of you are talking about FTMO, thinking about joining them, and yeah, so this is what I'm doing right now. Look at my equity curve. I started 24th of November, had a little drawdown of 1.5%, and I was coming back 1.5% plus. Then I had a drop because I was making a stupid trade on gold with a little bit too much risk. My fault, but after that had a good winning streak, and I was getting the account onto 5,000, around 5,300. And today I want to talk about I think it was Thursday, as you can see here on the chart. And by the way, if you're not inside of the free public Telegram channel where I share my analysis, because I give free analysis, free tips, just check the link in the description, join the free Telegram chat, check it out. I'm sure you're gonna learn a lot and it will benefit you, so make sure to join our team, the free team in Telegram. So this movement here is Friday. I was not trading on Friday. I want to talk about the Thursday, because as we can see, without the fibs, as we can see, the market was dropping pretty crazy. Then around this area I was thinking about maybe selling this thing. I was expecting that it will sell off, but the market did the exact opposite. It was moving to higher highs, so I expect the market to try to reach around in this area next. So my overall bias were bullish in this case, okay. And then I was going to the smaller time frames, like the 15-minute, the 5-minute chart, and I was checking what was going on. And for me it was clear that I want to look for a buy entry, but I want to get a good buy entry, you know. So what I actually did in this case, let's stick with Thursday. This is where I made the money in both directions, because the market was moving like this. We had a pretty strong push, then Asian range, nothing happened. Then the market made a nice bullish move, snap back, bullish move, snap back, and then we had some kind of resistance over here, double bottom, triple bottom, something like that, clear area of consolidation. And then I was like, okay, now from the buyer's perspective, this is a double bottom, so many stops sitting around in this area. This is where liquidity is sitting, okay. So probably the market makers want to hit these areas to make business, of course. And then we have some stops sitting over here, and we have some stops sitting over here, you know. So when I saw that the market is consolidating and violating these stops over here, coming back strong just to get some more buys into the game, and we had a big pool of stops over here, you know. And then when we were slashing through them, I was like, cool, let's wait for the pullback move to get in with a sell position. This is what I did. This was my first trade. But overall, I wanted to buy. Why I wanted to buy is easy. The move started somewhere around in this area over here, and then we had some struggle around in this area. I wanted to get in somewhere around in this area. This is the area where I wanted to buy, and I was sharing this with all of you guys in the Telegram chat, in the free public chat, Telegram chat, in the inner circle group chat, and all that stuff. So if you're not in yet, check the link in the description. Get in there to get educated around and to get setups like this. So my idea when the market was somewhere around here was to wait until it hits that area, because I knew it will violate these stops from the buys over here and trick some sellers into the market. Then same thing on here, on this spot, same thing, boom, stops get hit. Some people maybe thought this is a stop on, they buy too early, get fucked again, boom. And then we had this kind of a double bottom where we have a lot of stops sitting as well, and yeah, it all got violated. So it was, for me, it was an easy catch. I was just searching for, okay, where want the market, what does the market maker wants to do, where does the market maker wants to drive price first, where he wants to make business, because we had a very clean bullish uptrend channel, bullish uptrend move. So I knew most of the people are long, so I'm sure they wanna fuck them up, and I wanted to be on that side that fuck them up, you know. So I was pulling my fibs for the quick sell over here. I was pulling my fib from here to here. The thing was, it was not really hitting. It was kind of like hitting the 61.8% if I'm not using the wick, you know. So I was like, okay, fuck it, let's get in. And I was getting in over here, and I saw double top. Okay, cool, scaling in some more. Then I was moving my stop a little bit, scaling in some more, and around in this buy area where I wanted to buy, I was closing the position with a pretty nice profit of around, I don't know, 2,500 to 2.5% or something like that. So this was the first trade. I wanted to buy, but I saw that the market wanted to grab liquidity, and I was using this for my advantage to ride both sides of the market, you know. So I was selling first, making my catch. Then I was getting a buy entry, small position, because I didn't want to risk my the profits that I made on the sell. I had a small position, and then this thing was just moving straight to the top, and I was scaling in some more and more. And unfortunately, I was getting stopped out somewhere around here because I was right in the 1 minute chart, and I was not patient enough to wait for the market to hit these triple top over here. Because listen guys, if you see that the structure gets broken like this, people are going to sell, and they have their stops over here. So for me, it was clear when I'm getting in here, because when all of these getting fogged, when I'm getting buy over here, when everybody is panicking, you know, when all the buyers are panicking, I'm buying. Oh yeah. And then market was skyrocketing to the top, easy catch. And the target is this liquidity pool over here, because it is a very clear resistance level, and many stops sitting there. So the market makers want to hit these stops to make business, of course, and this is what happened on Friday. But I was not patient enough to wait for that. I was scaled in too big. Unfortunately, I couldn't make so much money on that move because I was moving my stop too tight. I didn't want to risk, because you know I'm in the challenge, and I was like, okay, let's put in big lots, and if it runs straight to the top, I'm finished with the challenge and goodbye. It didn't. In fact, at the end, it didn't did this, but I'm okay with the overall profits for the week. In 1 week, I'm up around 5.3% with straight risk management. Even if I had one bad trade where I was risking 2% stupidly on gold, that really sucked. But my other trades were pretty accurate and I made some good money, so we're overall around 5% up for the week, which is a good start. 5% more, and I finished the challenge, the FTMO challenge, and let's see if I can do this, get funded. I will keep you updated, and yeah, I hope this video is helpful, guys. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button. If you need some help, make sure to drop me a message in Telegram. I'm there to help. And check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. All these concepts that I'm talking about in my YouTube videos, I got it all very nice structured in the course, even for beginners. So I take you from the beginner level to the professional level, where you can make money in these markets, consistently profitable. I teach you about money management, about trade entries, exits, how the market makers do their work, how to find good entries, how to set up a trading plan, your own game plan, how to find your own game plan, and much more. Make sure to check it out. You will find this link in the description as well. It's genius-trading.com. Just check it out, join the inner circle. We have a huge community with traders from all around the world who are making crazy amounts of money. You can connect to all of them, and yeah, just have fun, work on the same goal, help each other, make money in the markets. This is what we do. And yeah, I wish you all a great rest of the weekend. We see us next week in the free Telegram channel. I will keep you updated about what I do, about my moves, and what I'm planning for the next week. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna show you some music that I'm recorded the last couple of days. But yeah, that being said, guys, peace out and have a great time. All the best. Every now and then,